channel. My name is Jessica. So today's video I'm unboxing my son's car seat. I recently purchased my son's car seat at Lazada. So this car seat actually it's made of carmindcar. Yeah. So today I just want to unbox it and hope it will fit him, because Jackson is big tall, guys. Is the car seat I bought at first, I bought from birth to 3 years, but unfortunately it's small now, and the child is not even 2 years old. My son is just 22 months, but the car seat is small. So I'm changing to another car seat I saw online. This is the one I'm unboxing. Let me unbox the car seat for Jackson. This car seat is actually a bit bigger, and I hope it's the way I expect it to be. I saw it online. It was showing that the car seat is a child, it goes up to 5 years, and it's made from carmine, something like that, yeah, according to where it comes from, the pronunciation. So this is the car seat, guys. I bought from Jackson. I bought it at Lazada. I'll put a link at the description below. Oh wow, it's beautiful. The other car seat, old car seat, is the same color of this one. Don't judge me, I love red. Okay, so there's this baby in the car, nicely inside. And actually I bought it a day ago, and today they already delivered. Good service. And there's this something like a cup inside. I don't know, the ones which stays at the side in the car, in the seats, this side and this side. I think where you need to put the baby's bottle, something like that, water bottle, milk bottle. Oh my god, it's so big. Oh my, the box also is so big. It's telling you that this, hope my baby will fit this. The car seat itself is telling you this car seat is for a big baby. I love the color, guys. I love the red and black. It's so beautiful. It's definitely beautiful. But I pray that it stays in this car till maybe when he's 5 or something. 4, 3. Too much car seat. Okay, so this is the car seat. It needs to be fixed. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh God, this is Jackson's Carmind. I don't know if it's Carmind or Carmind or Carmind, depends. Carmind. I think it's big, it's comfortable, it's safe, so beautiful. Actually, not that bad. Not that bad. It's very big. Put on top of the car seat, and they put this. I think they put on the sides when I fix the car seat, because this is my first time like using this car seat, this Carmind car seat. So guys, this is the car seat.
So after putting the car seat in the car, I asked somebody to fix the car seat for Jackson, because I don't know how to do it. So I had to ask somebody, and somebody didn't want to take their face. So the person fixed for me, and this is how he fixed.
Okay, so guys, this Jackson's car seat was fixed. This is new car seat. Say hi, Daddy.
Hello, say hi. It's big and it's nice. Thank you so much for watching, guys.